In the latest release of DecoNetwork, we're once again putting a focus on streamlining your production workflow. Historically, we've included a barcode at the top of production worksheets, which when scanned will output the order number, allowing you to quickly search for files related to that order, like the production artwork. In this latest release, we're taking barcodes to the next level. We've included a variety of actions which allow you to move the order throughout the production process. The worksheet, for example, now includes barcodes that allow you to open either the order or the specific production items directly in Business Hub. A similar barcode to load the order can also be configured to be included on your invoices. In addition to these order actions, you can also create action sheets for each department in your production workflow to allow them to move orders through the production process. Let's go into the admin section and take a look at how we can generate one of these action sheets. From the admin dashboard, we'll jump into Settings, click Production and Order Settings, and choose the new Business Hub Barcodes option. From this page here, we can configure the print layout for our action sheet with options like a 1 or 2 column layout, the size of the barcode, and the size of our labels. We'll go ahead and leave all of these options set to the default and jump straight into the Create Barcode Action Sheet page. It's from this page here that we'll be able to select which actions we want to include in a specific action sheet that we're about to generate. Let's say, for example, that we want to create an action sheet for our screen printing department. So we'll select all of the associated actions which they might go ahead and use. Looking at our list here, I think Mark Item as Produced, Mark Order as Produced would be relevant to the screen department. And also some of these production statuses that we've set up custom for our own system. We'll go ahead and select Create Films, Burn Screens, Machine Setup, On Press, Cleanup, and Completed. Once we've made our selection, we can go ahead and choose Print Action Sheet. You can see from the preview, this action sheet is customized specifically for our screen print department, and they'll be able to use these barcodes to move the order along the process. In addition to production actions, these can also be useful for the sales team. We've included actions like create a new quote, create a new order, and add a payment to an order. These new barcode actions are a great addition to DecoNetwork that are going to help you streamline your production workflow and help your team members spend less time in front of the screen and more time getting orders out to your customer.